Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Gluta C body scrub. Apply to wet skin and massage, gently focusing on rough areas like elbows and knees using circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse well with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times weekly, avoid broken skin, and follow with a hydrating lotion or sunscreen for best results and longer-lasting glow. Start with gentle pressure and circular motions to slough off dead skin without causing irritation. Focus on knees, elbows, and heels where buildup is common, and keep motion consistent for even results. Rinse completely and assess skin. If redness appears, ease up next session. Follow with a moisturizing cream containing glycerin or shea to lock in hydration and improve texture for smoother, brighter skin over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that matches your fresh post-scrub vibe. It's a fun little treat that pairs nicely with a self-care routine, and you'll find the link and other deals in the description for easy shopping. Now let's get back to the video. After exfoliating, gently pat skin and immediately apply a rich moisturizer to replenish barrier lipids and hydration. Avoid strong active serums right after a scrub to minimize irritation, and choose SPF for daytime since exfoliation can increase sun sensitivity. If your skin is dry or reactive, reduce frequency and opt for milder formulas. Track how your skin responds and adjust routine to balance brightness with comfort and long-term skin health.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.